All right, this is going to be the Cambria Hotel room 312. And I think I got more than I paid for. I just got like a basic king room, and this room seems unusually large. So walking in, we have the door here. Keurig coffee maker with some K-cups in there. We do have some empty cabinets. We have a microwave and a refrigerator. Not a mini bar, but a refrigerator. To the right, place to hang up some things. Full-length mirror. There is a closet here. It's got some hangers. We do have a safe and some extra cubbies there. Pillow and blanket. Then moving on in, we have a little place to set some things down to go into this massive room. This room is twice the size I thought it was going to be. To the left, we do have a shower. Looks like it's going to be a handheld, which that's really interesting, actually. Yeah, I don't see a shower head up there. This is only going to be a handheld, so that's super, super interesting. Never seen that before. We do have a tub, little place for some towels, of course, the toilet, and the sink. Moving into the living room area, there is a couch here, very long couch. There is going to be an office area with a desk and chair and a little lamp there. Oh, very cool. We're not super far from LAX. Check out that artwork. Very nice. And then rolling in, there is a king-size bed. This is nicer than I thought it was going to be. Telephone here. We do have a USB outlet plus a regular power outlet on this side. I imagine, yeah, it's going to be the exact same thing over here on this side. Then looking over here, we have another little table with some cubbies and a television. Let's let's see if these open all the way up. Yeah, they do. See what our view is. Our view is of some buildings. I think the beach is off that way though, actually. But overall, really, really good first impressions. Let me know if you're coming to the LAX area or somewhere in central Los Angeles and you're just trying to get out of downtown Hollywood. This might not be a bad place to stay. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to follow all of our travel adventures. Until next time, we'll see ya.